All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we're able to see our trade history, the open trades, and all of the previous trades that we've done. So on the bottom tab here, where it says trade, this is where you're going to see all of your open orders. So you'll be able to see all of the information: time, type, volume, symbol, open price, where you have your stop loss, take profit, etc. And then on the right side here, we're going to be able to see the current profit and loss of that trade. And once we have a trade open, we're also able to see an X button here, which means you're able to close the trade manually whenever you'd like. Now, we usually just let our trades hit stop loss or take profit because we're always setting them, but there is always an option for manually closing the trade. Now, the second tab here, orders history, this is where we're going to be able to see all of our previous orders. As you can see here, these are all of our trades from the past. Now, over here on the right side where it says period, we can change this to show just today's history, or for example, the past week or the month. So we're able to see, how we've done. Now, let's say we click all and we scroll all the way down on the left side here, we'll be able to see how much our profit or loss has been throughout the whole time of having this account being run. So that's how we're able to see what the profit has been over a period of a week or past day or the past month.